Hello students, in today's lesson we learn about comparison between correlation and regression analysis. Both helps in studying the relationship between two variables, yet they differ in their approach and objective. Correlation analysis for studying the covariation of the two variables. It tells us whether the variable under study move in the same direction or in the reverse direction. Correlation coefficient are measure of degree of covariability between x and y. It does not tell us the relative movement of the variable. The objective of regression analysis is to study the nature of relationship between the variables, so we may able to predict the value of one on the basis of another. Here in this table, we do comparison, correlation versus regression analysis. Correlation literally means the relationship between the two or more variables, studying the covariation of the two variables. Whereas regression analysis is the mathematical measure expressing the average relationship between the two variables. Correlation need not imply cause and effect. Regression analysis clearly indicates cause and effect relationship between the variable. The variable corresponding to cause is taken as independent variable and the variable corresponding to effect is taken as dependent variable. Correlation confined only to the study of linear relationship. It has limited application. Whereas in regression analysis, it has wider application as it studies linear as well as non-linear. There may be nonsense correlation between two variables, which is due to pure chance and has no practical relevance. For example, correlation between rainfall and the intelligence of group of individuals. There is no such thing like nonsense regression. Correlation coefficient is the measure of direction and degree of the linear relationship. It is symmetrical. It is immaterial which one is dependent variable and which one is independent variable. Whereas in regression analysis, which aims at establishing the functional relationship, using this relationship to predict or estimate the value of dependent variable for any given value of independent variable. It also reflects upon the nature of variable. Regression coefficients are not symmetric. Correlation coefficient is relative measure, whereas the regression coefficients are absolute measure. They are independent of the units of measurement. The value is in the units of measurement of the variable. It is a pure number lying between -1 to 1, and here one of the regression coefficient can have value higher than unity. Correlation coefficient is independent of change of origin and scale, but we know regression coefficients, they are independent of change of origin but not of scale. Thank you.